students, in LaTeX the next topic is creating tables. Here if you observe, we have been given a table without any horizontal or vertical lines. It's a table, but we need to create this now using LaTeX code. So we shall see what is the LaTeX code for this. As usual, the first line will always be document class article, and you need to begin a document. So backslash begin document. For creating tables, the environment we use is called tabular. So backslash begin tabular. Within flower brackets, you need to mention the number of columns and their positions. What are the number of columns here? There is 3 columns. You need to observe the position of elements. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first column, it is aligned to left side. If you observe, it is aligned towards left side. If this one was here, it would have been aligned in center. If this one was here, we can say that is right side. But if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all are aligned in left side. So we need to mention it as L, small l. Again, if you observe China, India, US, Indonesia, Brazil, all these elements are also aligned towards left side. So L. Again, if you observe this population also aligned towards left side. So I am going to mention it as L. So L means there are 3 columns and all the 3 column elements are aligned towards left side. After this, you need to mention the elements row wise. Row wise elements na mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. First row ಏನಿದೆ rank, country, population in million. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ampersand ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ rank. rank ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ampersand, rank and country ampersand population. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ. It will come in a single line. Population in million. That row is ending. I am mentioning it by 2 backslashes. What is the next row? 1 and China and 1376. That row is ending. Mention it by 2 backslashes. What is the second row? 2 and India and 1311. 2 backslashes. Next row 3 and US and 322. 2 backslashes. That row is ending. Mention it by 2 backslashes. Next row 4 and Indonesia and 258. Mention it by 2 backslashes. Last one 5 and Brazil and 182. Since this is the last row, no need to mention 2 backslashes. Now the tabular is ending, so I am mentioning it as backslash end tabular. The document can also be ended now. So backslash end document. You just execute this command and observe the output. The output what you get will not be in the center of the page. That will not be in the center of the page. If I want the output to be in the center of the page, if I want this table to be in the center of the page, we can use a command that is begin center and end center. Begin center can be used at here. See, after begin document, above begin tabular, you can use begin center. So where can you end this end center? After end tabular, you can end that. If you include begin center and end center, the output what you get will be aligned at the center of the page. First you execute without begin center and end center. Afterwards you include begin center and end center. Observe the output difference. Okay. We shall see one more example. Example number 2. If you observe, there are horizontal and vertical lines here. We shall see how we'll do this. So LaTeX code, first line as it is backslash document class article. I'm going to begin the document backslash begin document. Backslash begin document. If you want the output to be in the center, you can use begin center, or else you can skip this begin center. So since we need to create a tabular, we need to begin the environment begin tabular. And within brackets, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all aligned at center. In this column, it is aligned at center. So the command is C. Got it? Next, if you observe China, India, US are also aligned at center. So C. Next, these numbers are also aligned at center. So C. And if you observe, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines. There are 4 vertical lines. You need to mention it here. This creates vertical lines between the columns. If you mention like this, it means it is going to create a line between the columns. For this line, I have mentioned it here. For this line, here. For this line, here. For the last line, I have mentioned it here. Is it clear? If you want to get horizontal lines between the columns, if you need to mention it here. Okay. Now, after begin tabular, now we need to mention the first row. If you observe, the first row is rank, country, population. You know how to mention it. How will we mention? Rank and country and population, 2 backslashes. That is how you are mentioning. But if you observe, before that there is a line. So, to get this line, the command is \h_line. \h_line means it creates a horizontal line. Wherever we mention above a row, it is going to create a horizontal line. To get this line, the command is \h_line. Now I am going to mention the row. What is the first row? Rank and country and population. That row is ending, so I am mentioning it by 2 backslashes. Now, before moving on to next row, you observe you need one more horizontal line. So, what is the command? \h_line. Is it clear? Next row, 1 and China and 1376, 2 backslashes. Do you need any line here? If I wanted the line here, I should have used \h_line. But I don't need any line here. So, we'll move on to the next row. What is the next row? 2 and India and 1311. That row is ending. I am mentioning it by 2 backslashes. Next row, 3 and US and 322. Mentioned by 2 backslashes. 4 and Indonesia and 258. Mention it by 2 backslashes. Last row, 5 and Brazil and 182. Here I need to use 2 backslashes because I need a line here. If I want a line, what is the command? \h_line. Got it? So I am using here 2 backslashes. Because even this is a row. This is also a row. According to the system now, even this is a row. This is also a row. Got it? So I am using 2 backslashes here. So I am going to end the tabular. \end tabular. I have begun the center also. So I am going to end the center. \end center. So at last we need to end the document. \end document. So students, here is the third example. Let us see what is the LaTeX code to create this example. So what is the first line? As usual, it will always be \document class article. \document class article. What will be the next line? It is always, we need to begin the document. So \begin document. If you want this output to be in the center, you can begin with begin center, or else you can skip that. I am going to skip it. I am going to start with the tabular itself. So within flower brackets, you need to mention the number of columns as well as the position. What is the position of these entries? It is at the right side. So I am going to mention it as R, small r. Even if you observe this also, this n factorial values are also aligned at right side. So R. If you observe, there are vertical lines. How many lines? 3 lines. So mention it. 1, 2, 3. If you just mention it like this, you're going to create 3 vertical lines in between the columns which we have mentioned. Now we shall start up with the tabular. What is the first line? First we need H line. There is one line. So \H line. Enter the first row. What is the first row? N and n factorial, right? Mention within double backslashes. Got it? Next, what are the next row? What is the, we have H line here. So backslash H line. Got it? Next, what is the next row? 1 and 1 mentioned by 2 backslashes. There is a H line. So backslash H line. Next, 2 and 2 backslash H line. Why I am using H line? Because in between each and every row there is horizontal lines. That is why I am using H line. What will be next row? 3 and 6 backslash H line. Next, 4 and 24 backslash H line. Next, 5 and 120 backslash H line. Next, 6 and 720 backslash H line. Next, 7 and 5040 backslash H line. 8 and 40,320 backslash H line. 9 and 36,880 backslash H line. So we have ended with all the rows. Now we are going to end the tabular, backslash end tabular. I have not used begin center, so I am not going to use end center also. But we have beginned the document, so we need to end the document, backslash end document. Sorry students, I left out your dollars because this is mathematical n. You need to use within dollars. Okay. Just try without dollars. You try once. After using dollars, you observe the output. What will be the difference? You just observe the difference between the outputs. How you are going to get that en. Okay. So this is the command, LaTeX command to create this table. We shall now see one more example. Example 4, we shall see how can we create this table. Let me write the LaTeX code now to create this table. As usual, what will be the first line always? It will be backslash document class article. If you want this table to be in the center of the page, you can use begin center also. Before that, we need to use begin document backslash begin center, because I need the output or I need the table in the center of a page. Next, backslash begin tabular. Now you need to mention the number of columns. If you observe, the number of columns are only 2. If you observe this, it is aligning from left side. So I am going to mention it as L. If you observe these equations, if you observe, see there is a gap between both the sides. See, if you observe, there is a gap. So it is aligning at the center. So we need to mention it as C. Also we need 3 vertical lines. So you need to use. Now we shall mention the rows. What is the first row? Before that we need one H line. Before mentioning this row, I need one line. So what is the command? Backslash H line. What is the first row? Laplace equation and. So first I am going to mention Laplace equation. Laplace equation ampersand. What is the equation? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals 0. So it is a equation. I have said you, in order to mention any equation, there is no need of using begin equation and end equation. If you use dollars in between the equations also, you can include. I have said you that. So I am going to include this equation. Now what is the equation? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. First I am going to use dollar. Dou square u by dou x square. It is of the fraction form. So backslash frac numerator then denominator. What is numerator? Dou square u. That means what is the command to get dou? Backslash partial. Backslash partial cap to u. So this is the numerator. Dou square u. If you want, you can use flower brackets for this also. In order to avoid confusion, you can also use flower brackets. Even if you don't use also, you're going to get the output. Try once using flower brackets, and without using also you try once. So this is about the numerator. What is denominator? Dou x square backslash partial x cap 2. Dou square u by dou x square, done, plus what is next term? Dou square u by dou y square. Same term, just replace x by y. So backslash frac dou square means backslash partial cap 2 u, denominator backslash partial y cap 2 equals 0. Equation is ending, so I am mentioning it by dollars. Got it? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. That row is ending here, so I am using 2 backslashes. See, after that we need a line. So what I need to use? Backslash h line. Got it? We shall mention the next row now. What is the next row? Poisson equation. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals f of xy. Same command. See, dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou x square. Same command. Instead of 0, you need to use f of xy. Let me write the command now. Poisson equation and what is the command now? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Same command. Backslash frac backslash partial cap 2 u backslash partial x cap 2 plus backslash frac backslash partial cap 2 u backslash partial y cap 2 equals f of xy, f of x comma y. Close the dollars, and this row is ending, so I am mentioning it by 2 backslashes. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals f of x comma y. If you observe, after that row also there is a h line, so I am going to mention backslash h line. What is the next row? Eat equation. So eat equation ampersand. What is the equation? Dou u by dou t equals c into dou square u by dou x square. Dou u by dou t equals c dou square u by dou x square. See, I am going to mention that equation here so that it will be easy for me to write the code. Dou u by dou t equal to c dou square u by dou x square. Let us write the command now for this. Within dollars, first what is there? Dou u by dou t. It is of the form fraction. So I need to use backslash frac. What is the numerator? Dou u. Dou u means backslash partial u. What is the denominator? Dou t. That means backslash partial t. Got it? Equals c dou square u by dou x square backslash frac. Since it is fraction, numerator, denominator. First numerator backslash partial cap 2 u, denominator backslash partial x cap 2. Got it? See, fraction of dou u by dou t equals c. Fraction of dou square u dou x square, dou square u dou x square. I am going to end the dollars, and also that row is ending, so I am mentioning it by 2 backslashes. If you observe, after eat equation also there is a h line, so I am going to mention backslash h line. Is it clear? What is the last row? Wave equation. So I am going to mention wave equation ampersand. What is the equation given? Dou square u by dou t square equals c square dou square u by dou x square. Now let us write the command for this. First observe, it is of the form fractions. So I want to use backslash frac. Backslash frac. First mention numerator. What is the numerator? Dou square u. Dou means backslash partial cap 2 u. This is the numerator. Dou square u. What is denominator? Dou t square backslash partial t cap 2. So done with LHS. We have done with LHS now. Fraction of dou square u by dou t square. LHS is done. Move on to RHS. Equals c square c cap 2. Next. You need to now mention dou square u by dou x square. That means backslash frac numerator. Dou square means backslash partial cap 2u. Denominator backslash partial x cap 2. Close dollars and end with 2 backslashes. We are done with the last row. If you observe, after the last row also there is a H line. So I am going to mention backslash H line. The tabular is ending now, so I am going to use backslash end tabular. I have begun the center also, so I am going to end the center. Backslash end center. We have begun the document, so we need to end this document also. Backslash end document. So this is the LaTeX code in order to get this example.